This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll quickly show how you can change the drone's behavior once the battery is running out or once the battery is low. So first, open the camera view or the enter device interface of the FIMI Navi Mini app. Then here tap at the cog icon to launch settings. Then select the battery category on the left. Scroll down, and here you'll find two toggles, one of them RTH or return to home when battery only enough for return to home, as well as land when battery only enough for land. And here you can switch those behaviors on, or well, right now they are switched on, or you can switch them off, as you please. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.